How to find referral ID on Binance application. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can find our referral ID from Binance application. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. First of all, head over and open up your Binance app on your device. And once you're logged in, you will be seeing this interface on your screen of the Binance application. You're going to look out for the Binance logo at the top left corner and head over there in order to find a referral code. Once you reach over here, you will be finding different options available, including the referral. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will lead you to another page. So wait for that page to load up on your screen. It may take about a second, and when you reach over here, you will be taken to this page. So in order to find a referral code, you can find this option called Invite Friends, which if you do it, you will unlock a reward when your friend completes all of the required tasks. So you can go ahead and tap on this Invite Friends section. And once you tap on it, there you go. You will be finding a referral ID right here. You can just go ahead and copy and paste it and share it with your friends. Otherwise, we also have a referral link available. You can just go ahead and copy that as well. So that is how you find up your referral code in your Binance application as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.